we've reached our last day of the challenge. This is day 30. If you made it the entire way, I can't be more proud. You guys rock, seriously. You did something that's very healthy and very huge for yourself. And now that the challenge is over, I have another challenge for you. Don't stop. At this point, you guys are smoothie experts. You don't need me anymore. Go to the store, buy greens, buy fruits, and start blending your own smoothies. Do it every day. Heck, I've been on a green smoothie challenge now for over 10 years, and I'm feeling great. And that's really important to me, because you can't buy health. Well, actually you can. You can go to the store, buy greens, blend them up, and that's how you buy health. If you need more inspiration, feel free to check out my ebook. It has the same title as this movie. It's called 30-Day Green Smoothie Challenge ebook. It's available on my website, sergeiboutenko.com. The ebook contains more bonus recipes so that you have another month of making smoothies without having to think about it. The other thing you can do is you could just restart the challenge from the beginning. That's perfectly okay too. It's been such a pleasure educating you guys about smoothies and sharing my life with you, and I wish you all of the best in your future endeavors. What can I tell you that you don't already know? You're gonna destem the kale, but you already knew that. I know something I can tell you. It's about the golden kiwis. Okay, so once your kale is in the blender, you're gonna move along to a fruit we haven't seen in this challenge yet. These are golden kiwis. They're not genetically modified to be golden, they're just a different variety. And if you don't know what golden kiwis are, or if you can't find them, use regular kiwis. But I like these way better. They're just sweeter and they're less acidic. So the easiest way to peel them is to just cut them in half and take a teaspoon and scoop them right out. Has that been a good takeaway for you guys? That a teaspoon can do just about anything? It's true, it can. So 2 golden kiwis go in the blender. If you get a little peel, it's no big deal. It's perfectly edible. We have our peaches, our dates without pits, strawberries with the greens attached, that's right, and our avocado. You know what? Here's a third way to get an avocado out. No cutsies, just scoop it out with a spoon. And water to help it blend. I can already tell, see how much the kale acts like a sponge? So it's preventing the fruit from sitting on the blades, which means the Boutenko shuffle has to happen. More. If you get a green mustache, that's just a bonus. I dedicate this last smoothie to all of my wonderful Kickstarter backers. You guys and girls are angels, and I absolutely appreciate your love and support. And thank you very much for supporting my ideas when they're just that, ideas, they're not even real. And with your help, we make these ideas real, and we get people to drink smoothies, and we get their health to change. So thank you very much. Cheers.